Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Rosie Planner, and today we're doing an unboxing of an awesome planner that was sent to me by the company LittleMore company. And so they sent me their planner, and I'm super excited to review it and unbox it and just kind of walk through it with you guys. So let's just dive right into it. So, oh, sorry y'all, I forgot my scissors. Here we go. So one thing I really do like about this company is their motto, which is pretty much to make, their customers' lives more balanced. And to me, that's the most important because I have so much going on in my life and balance is key. So this is what we have right now. Super excited for this. So this is a LittleMore Weekly Pro Planner for work-life balance. So I'm super excited because I've been looking for different planners for different things in my life. So work, I definitely need to have a good schedule, have a good plan. Because I also have to keep track of times and things like that. So I've been looking for a good work planner. And I mean, my passion planner is top tier, my favorite. But, like I said, I've been looking for more planners to incorporate with my passion planner because my passion planner is just a weekly. And this is a weekly pro, but I also just want to see what it has to offer. One thing I do like about this is there's no dates. So I can use this at any point in time in my work. If I don't need it one day or, if I don't use it 1 week because whatever the case is, it'll be good to have. So let's get right into this. And it's a professional planner. So that means it's geared towards work life. So here we go. So this is a 12-month pro. Ooh, sorry guys, I got excited. A pen loop. That is very rare. Ooh, a pen loop. Let me see. Get a pen out. Just a random pen. Ooh, yes, I love it. All right. Okay, so anyway, back to the specs. So this is a pro planner. The simple and effective planning system, and is non-dated, so you can use it, like I said, whenever. How do you open it? Oh, okay. All right, here we go. Woo, y'all, I'm excited. All right. So let's just take this off. I really like the beige. Really happy with the beige. All right, here we go, y'all. So we have some contact information: name, phone number, email, messenger, social networks, and additional information. Okay. Hi, I'm your personal LittleMore Pro Planner. I'd like to tell you how to improve your life with me. Ooh, all right, tell me, little pro. So plan your year. You have your spiritual development. I really like that. Finances, friends, physical development, and travel. So these are really great categories. Like I said, I really like that spiritual development. I'm on my own spiritual walk and I'm trying to figure it all out. But physical development as well, because I do want to get into fitness more. Finances, everybody want to have great finances. Friends, I do need to see more. And traveling, that's important too. So here we go. We got plan your month. A confused mind will never reach its goal. Bring clarity by bringing down your yearly goals into a smaller, more achievable monthly target. I like that. For more balanced life, it is necessary to develop all directions, body, mind, and spirit. So they have monthly goals, your mind, body, your spirit. Wow. And then you have I'm going to achieve, and then you have a 30-day challenge, and then you can put your reward. Scientists have proven that 30 days are needed to form a habit. Use every month to create useful habits. Make a challenge and do not forget to reward yourself in the end. Wow, that's awesome that they've incorporated this. And then you have your review your month. Happily reflect on big wins of last month and plan how to improve the lessons. And then they break it down to your week. Guys, this is this is intense. And I love it. Plan and review your week. Find a quiet place and prepare your upcoming week for outlining your most important events. So that's pretty cool. Then you have your month. You have the 3 habits that you're going to work on, and then you're going to plan your next week. And then you have plan your day. Oh, they have a daily spread. So you can start at any time, choose from which day your week begins and the most important goals of the day. And they have your today's top 3 priorities and then your schedule. So they have it all laid out for you. I wonder if they don't have anything written. They don't have a pre-written one, which kind of would have been nice. But I like this. I like the outline and kind of just the setup. So we're going to move on into it. So now this is where you put your goals for the year. So your spiritual, physical, personal, mental, career, family, finances, friends, fun, travel. And then you have your month. So what you're going to do every month. So it gives you 2 months. 1 month for goals and then a monthly review. And then you have your weekly and daily. Okay, so it goes from monthly, your monthly goal, what you plan on doing, your monthly review, and then it goes straight into your days, or your weekly technically, but your days. So you'll have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever the date is, and then that's the week. And then you have the last week review, so that's your end of the week review, the habits, and then your plan for next week, and then it goes right into the next week. So then you have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then once again, your last week and your habits that you're working on, and then your plan for the next week. And then they do it all over again. Let's see, do they have an end of the month review? Let's see. Flip. No, let me see. Yes, so that was the end of the first month, and now we're on to the second month. So this is really, really cool. And I think the biggest piece for me right now that I absolutely love is the goals, and it's the mind, body, and spirit. Those are 3 sections of life that not all planners or goal planners will have, and or they word it differently, which is absolutely fine. But I like the way that they word it: mind, body, and spirit. And so then you'll go right back into your weekly spread. So you have your today's top 3 priorities, your time schedule, and I like that you can put the times. So for someone like me, it's always great to have like the hourly or even like the 30-minute increments, but sometimes I don't need all that space. Sometimes I'll just like write down like I did this at 1 o'clock and it's not even in the 1 o'clock space. So I really like that this leaves it blank and you can kind of fill it in. So even if I don't start at like 8 a.m., I could just put like 1 p.m. This is what I did, and then so on and so forth. And then at the bottom, it has your habit tracker. I don't know if you guys can see that, but. So this is really great. All right, so let's flip through the back. So we have a folder. This is a little bent. Okay, that's fine. But it has a nice little folder with fabric on the side, so it seems sturdy. And we have a few pages for notes, and it's lined. These are lined note pages. You don't have a lot. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4. So like 8 pages of notes. And then, it's back to the weekly. And it ends right there. There's no and so I guess you could do your own like monthly reflection or your yearly reflection back here, but probably would have been nice if they had something to kind of end it off or whatever the case is. But this is really nice, guys. Wow, Little More. This is really really nice. I keep saying really. This is helpful. And I think this would be honestly great for my work schedule and the way that my work is set up, because like I said, I might not need it every single day. So this is really nice. All right, guys, so if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Once again, this planner is from Little More Company, and I absolutely love their planner. So thank you guys for sending this to me. And I hope to review more of your stuff, and I will be back with a review maybe 1 or 2 weeks in, kind of see how things have been going with it, and just seeing how I've been using it so far to keep you guys posted. So just let me know if you have any comments. Please hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post, and you guys won't miss out on any new planners that are coming out and or that I'm reviewing. And once again, thank you for stopping by the Rosie Planner gang. It is greatly, greatly appreciated, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.